I mean in terms of implement in PyCharm, that is called as global variable. So simply that global variable, how can you create the global variable? Simply your x is equal to, for example, x is equal to, we are considering this mega city in double quotation end. You have to add that. So in the next class we are going to, in the further classes we are going to define that how can you write the function, but before that I am writing that what is the role of function this. So simply I am defining it, function define, that is called as my name. For example, I am writing that quotation is my function name. Okay, I am writing parenthesis, and at the end of the definition we have to have that colon. Then we can write here same variable you have in same in the intersection of this. For example, we are considering this here, x value is equal to Hyderabad. And closing this. So what is the role of this? In previous condition, in the before that we have the same variable that is actual x, but within the function we have the same variable this. At this moment we have to write the instruction for print instruction. Print is here. So simply that we are writing the name is best city is simply we are representing that double quotation and then you can take the plus symbol. Now I am taking that within the function we are representing that small x, or you can take that simply we are considering that name is Mumbai, this one is Hyderabad. Here best city is, like that we are writing this instruction. Okay, so we are adding here Hyderabad and Mumbai having the same variable names, but Hyderabad variable name in within the function, that function name is Kotesh. Okay, so simply I am writing that instruction, then I have to call the particular function this. Okay, then I am writing my function, that's the my function name is, simply I am taking the capital of this quotation of this function, I am calling this. Okay, then you can run the program. Here best city is Hyderabad, so simply we are considering this is run the program, and you will get so this here whenever you are calling this function name, automatically it takes the all variables within the function, where small x is equal to Hyderabad, print best city is, we are having the only one space, simply that space plus adding this. After execution of this you will be get this one is best city is Hyderabad, like that you will be get. So what is the why when you are taking that next function and previous function, like that you can take. For example, without having this, for example, if you take this instruction in terms of hash, this, okay, then you can call the function. Then here best city is Mumbai. What is the meaning of this? Within the function there is no x variable, but I am writing, I have written the variable name is x. That's why you have to take from global. This is actual default in a x function. This, that is the common for all. Okay, So then only you will be get best city is Mumbai. If you write the specific instruction, then only it takes the value. And the next one is same example with here you have the same variables inside the function and outside the function. Then you can write this value is quoted. Then you can write that function is print of double quotation is here best revenue city is, then adding small x, then print the instruction. Then you will be get what is the meaning. Best revenue city is Mumbai, best city is Hyderabad. What is the meaning of this? Here whenever you are calling that function name is this quotation function, automatically it takes the x variable and you will be get the result is best city is Hyderabad. Next one is whenever you are outside the function, automatically it takes the outside the variable, that value is x. So this is the functioning of global variables. What type of global keywords we have this? Sometimes you may represent this global functions are like that. You are representing here x value is x value okay. Thank you. Sometimes we are not assigning the previous expression of this. For example, we have the your x value is out of the function, this value is, and this one is within the function. At this moment you have to represent that entire function like you know, here simply I am defining the function is defining. Simply you can take that quotation and this brackets and semicolon and enter. Then you can take the global instruction for this. What is the role of this global instruction? Whenever you are having that function is here global of x, global x, here x is equal to Hyderabad, close. Then you can write the instruction for this. Then quotation of this function, you have to run the program. Then what is the after running this, after execution of this, you have to run the program. What type of instruction we are going to do? So simply if you write that print instruction, print of is best city is space and double quotation ends play plus symbol and use x value. After execution of this instruction, you will get best city is Hyderabad. Why did you get this type of function is, but actually x value in within the function. This is actual within the function, but the print instruction is out of the function. That's why whenever you are having that global instruction, global function, automatically it takes that x value is not only for internal the function but also common for external purpose. That's why you will be get that type of expression. Okay. Thank you.